For 9 years, Canadians have been subject to the Trudeau Liberal government and its transformative and, I would argue, malevolent and punitive tax policies. These policies have hurt the country across every sector. But I wanted to today hone in on certain professions and certain areas of our economy that have been particularly hurt, namely professionals and entrepreneurs, people who are very much the backbone of this economy. Canadians have for generations grown up knowing a family doctor, knowing that they would be there for them, and that it didn't take 6 to 10 months to get medical care. But we are seeing rationing at a fundamental level in our country. Recently, my mother had a shoulder replaced in an Ontario hospital, and they discharged her in 24 hours because the bed was needed. That's the state of healthcare, and I think everyone can recoil with personal stories of rationing because simply the resources are being spent elsewhere and not allocated properly. Now, a lot of this goes to taxation. I work with physicians and dentists a lot of my day and have real reverence for them. They put in long, long hours of education, join the workforce later, and are usually behind the eight ball when it comes to debt. And we as a country should be providing them some kind of incentive to help us, and we've done quite the opposite. Canadian tax rates since Justin Trudeau in 8 out of 10 provinces have a combined federal provincial rate in excess of 50%, the exceptions being Saskatchewan and Alberta. But in Ontario, you're paying 53.53% of your income after $245,000. Now, many of us would love to make $245,000, but I'm telling you that is a solidly middle class income, particularly if you're looking at a situation where it's one earner, because unlike the United States, we can't file a joint return.